You wouldn't believe the pile of dirt come off this truck so far. Just sitting here, moving it around. Right there. But yeah, this is completely redone. Everything's redone. So you can see it underneath there. It's the servo on axle, and you see how beefy the the knuckles are and everything in it. You ain't gonna break these. So I figured it out. This is the best time to me to do live stream, and do them once a day about this time. And that's what I'm gonna be doing, because I tried doing a live stream last night and I had nobody. So I'm just gonna do them once a day. I'll do them in the morning. And my weather report right now is it's still dark out. It's about in the 50s. I think it'll be a high of 50 today here where I'm at. So that's my weather report for you. But yeah, so this has got Endura. It's got Intego licensed super swampers on it, and these things just work awesome. They're actually come off my Red Cat Gen 7 is where I originally got these from. And I put different tires on it, so you can see. And they're a soft tire. You can see they're a soft tire. So, but, yeah. Winch. That's a functioning winch. Then winch mount, of course. Underneath here, you can see this the metal servo horn. I got a red servo horn if I want to change that out, because they give me a red horn with the axles. It comes with a steering horn. So if I want to put it all red, you can see the hubs in there. But no, it's can't do pull back. There you go. Here's what it looks like from the front. Looks pretty mean, I think. Why don't you lay down, buddy? Sneakers, what are you doing? He's waiting for his ma. Thanks for the thumbs up. I got 3 already, and I appreciate it. Can you guys consider giving me some thumbs up? I got 10 watching. Give me a thumbs up. Knock the dirt off the tires here. Look at that. It's from my last run. That's my last run, all that dirt. So we get off this tire. Yeah, I was gonna put a Jeep body, but I don't know, I saw this one and I said, well, that looks pretty cool, that body does. So I ended up putting this body underneath it. All the dirt. Like this. That's what I got off the tires right there. That pile of dirt. Luckily, I got a front door here. They're just going to get dirty today, I know that. But it's starting to get daylight out here, it looks like. Starting to get daylight, finally.